Hello and welcome. You're watching Beyond World is One. My name is Heem Kaur and here's a look at all the top stories that we're tracking for you right now. Houthi media says at least 10 US strikes target areas in Yemen, including capital Sana'a. US releases video of fighter jets taking off from an aircraft carrier and missiles being fired into the air. Russian President Vladimir Putin agrees in a call with US counterpart Donald Trump to halt attacks against Ukrainian energy targets, but refuses a full ceasefire unless the West halts all military aid for Kyiv. Zelensky says Putin's truce terms show Russia is not ready to end war as he wants to weaken Ukraine. The Ukrainian president backs energy truce but needs details from the US president. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu defends airstrikes in Gaza, says negotiations on restoring ceasefire will continue only under fire, says this is only the beginning as strikes kill over 400 people in Gaza. A U.S. federal judge suspends Trump administration's ban on transgender people serving in the military, citing the principle of equality. U.S. federal judge orders an immediate halt to shutdown of U.S. aid agency by Elon Musk's Department of Government Efficiency, says dismantling of agency likely violated the U.S. Constitution in multiple ways. NASA astronauts Butch Wilmore and Sunita Williams finally returned to Earth, emerged waving and smiling from SpaceX Dragon after splashdown off the Florida coast. Dolphins seen swimming around the capsule.
Pulling the capsule out of the water, it will then out of the water.
In Indian state of Maharashtra, curfew continues for the second day in 10 police station limits of Nagpur following violence that erupted on the 17th of March over Aurangzeb's tomb. Brazil announces a major tax exemption for individuals earning up to $881 per month to ease financial pressure. The move, key to Lula's popularity push, must pass Congress this year to take effect in 2026.